the CSS borders. So as you all know that borders are so important, and how to provide the borders is a art to provide this. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover that how to provide the CSS border. CSS provide the basic property of the CSS. So every element, if you want to look up the location of that element and want to see the dimensions of that element, so you have to give the have to provide the border of that element, and you can give any kind of styling of that border, and in this video we are going to learn that. So let's quickly get started. Okay, so now you can see that we have a new thing today. So this is our very own website, that is codeup.in, codeup.in, that is codeup. So here we have all three things together, that you can see that we have HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we can write our code and tap on the execute button, or can have a shortcut keyboard. I can see that, yeah, that is Control E to execute this. So I love this website, and I would like to give the demonstration of this website and by using the CSS borders now. So in this tutorial or a video, I'm quickly going to create a div element for you guys. Yes, a div, and in this div I'm going to provide some styling. So I know that you don't know all these styles, but I'm just giving a basic styles, like, so I'm giving a width of 1000 pixel. Oh, I know that's very big, but it's okay, let's try. And having a height of 300 pixel, let's say, and giving a border of solid border, and I'll explain that what types of borders we have and what are the available options. Solid and thin is equivalent to 1 pixel. If you want to give the thickness of the border, that is 1 pixel, which is similarly to thin. Okay, so here solid, thin, and I'm going to give a color, let's say lime color. Okay, and now I'm going to hit Control E to get it executed. Now you can see that we have the awesome rectangle having a dimension of 1000 by 300. Okay, so okay, let's make it thick. Let's instead of thin, I'm going to give a border of 10 pixels and then going to execute it. And now just let's see that what will be the execution of this solid 10 pixel line. So this is the border, you can see that. And providing the borders, so we have this is the kind of style of a border, the type of the border. We can go for a dashed border. Yes, we can try this, a dashed border, and this border will show you up something new things like this. Yeah, dash border. It's on the coupons, a lot of coupons are giving such kind of borders, so you can use these borders like for those things. And there again we have a dotted border. Yes, executing this will give you a result of very small dots. Yeah, so this is again a new kind of border. So one more thing, that we have the double. So if you want to give a double border, a box in a box, so that are the borders. Okay, so what I like the most is the solid border, so which is actually very solid. Okay, so this is the solid border, and you can, if you provide the border, it will give all the borders from the border, top, right, bottom and left. If you want to give only the border top, then you can specify like border top. Okay, so anything which can be the property, can be the value. If you are providing anything like property and value and having a two words in that property or value, that you can separate those two words by giving a hyphen in between those words. So we have border hyphen top, and if I provide this and execute this, it will showing me only the top border. similarly for the right, similarly for the bottom and left as well. So that is all about borders, and you now know about the types, now know about the the width or the how much thickness you want for that border. And here the third parameter is the color. If you change this color and want to execute it, that will surely execute it for red color. Okay, so this is your borders, and that is it about the borders. And now I am having a bonus trick for you. Yeah, and the borders, we can have something very new for you. So let's suppose instead of 10 pixel, I'm going to give the border to 40 pixel. Okay, and then execute it. What will happen? Let's see. Yeah, seems weird, but it's okay. Let's try this. Let's say border top is red, and I'm going to copy and paste this 4 times. Border top, border right can be red, green, and then border bottom will be blue. Okay, and then border left will be yellow. Okay, and then execute it. You can see that you have 4 borders. And let's say if I make the width and height as 0 pixel, see, so this is the kind of creative I've just created here. Okay, and now if you want to make a triangle, then you can just to the border top, you can just give the white color or transparent, border right, white color or transparent. So I just no, okay, from the left you need a white color. Okay, and then execute it. Whoa, we have the triangle created from the border. Okay, if you want to sharpen this triangles, yeah, you can see this. So that is all about the CSS borders, and thank you so much. And please use this website code up